Where's your inner sincere smiles and your fake dubious chat? It's even possible, are you tired? You're out in topics, loop out these, and it's become a signal alarm widely for ether rise from your knees. We've seen much, and that is enough. We suffered much, that's enough, enough. And when our world is rolling away, but it's way enough near to edge, it's beyond line, that is enough. You think you become free in life, and humility is the right your path, but now you aren't anywhere welcome to decide on fate. Is it prank? Where is energy of world sins anymore? It's not a place and isn't time. It springs in a heart.